Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be tying a beautiful bow for you that you can use to put on any project. These would look great on a Christmas tree, a wreath, a gift, just any project that you need a bow for. Okay, this is the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and you're going to leave about a 12-inch tail. Gather it up in your hands and pinch a loop. And then after you get your loop pinched, you're going to twist it a few times. And my center loop is probably about a 3-inch loop. Okay, after you do that, you are going to let out some more ribbon and you're going to start making your loops on each side. You will want your loop, your second loop, to be just a little bit longer than that center loop. So each time you're going to make your loops about a 1/2 inch longer as you continue on making your bow. So go to the other side, make about the same size loop that you just made on the other side so that they match. And like I said, you're going to want to, as you continue, each side gets a 1/2 inch longer. And if you have a design on your ribbon, you're going to have to twist each time or whenever necessary to make sure your design's on top. So if you notice here, I'm comparing to make sure that each time that it's a little longer. Okay, tightly keep your hand pinched around the center. Don't ever let go. Twist and make your loop. And check to make sure that you made it a little bit longer than the previous one. So I've got 2 on both sides right now. And my second loop's just a little bit longer. Checking both sides. Okay, so I'm ready to make another loop. This one's going to be a little bit wider. And if you need to, twist your ribbon so that the design stays on top. Hold tightly. Okay, compare each time. It's really simple. And if you mess up, you can always let go and start again. So on this particular bow, I'm going to have 4 loops on the left, 4 loops on the right, and my center loop. So basically you're going back and forth until you have 4 loops, and each loop is a little bit longer than the previous one. Just make sure you keep your hand pinched tight to the center and don't let go. And I'm also leaving a 12-inch tail on this side. Then you'll kind of want to twist your tail so that the design shows. Now you're ready to add your pipe cleaner or floral stem wire. You're just going to thread it right through the center loop and all the way around to the back of the bow. And carefully twist a few times. Okay, just fluff your loops, put your hands in and fluff your loops. You can pull and tug since you've got the pipe cleaner around it and make it fluffy and full, whatever shape you want. And this is the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. 4 loops on the left, 4 loops on the right, and 12-inch tails. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. This is perfect to put on gifts or a lantern or a wreath. Thank you so much for watching.